Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to show you how to clean out any stains from your interior carpets. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's go over a few things that we're going to need today. So you're going to need some carpet cleaner. I prefer this Blue Magic stuff. I found that it lifts out stains the best, but you can use your own favorite brand that you like. You're going to need some type of bristle brush. You're going to need some gloves and a few microfiber towels. So I'm going to show you how to do this stuff in the trunk. This is probably the dirtiest that I have in my whole entire vehicle because I'm loading jacks and jack stands in here and tools and whatnot. So I got some grease stains in here. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to remove everything from your trunk and you want to vacuum it out. And then we can go ahead and start cleaning it. So let's slap on our gloves and let's get into this. All right, guys. So first things first, whenever we start spraying this stuff down, we're going to let it sit and soak in. Alrighty. And while this is soaking in, we can go ahead and start using our brush just to agitate the stuff. Now, depending on how stiff the bristles are, you don't want to like dig into the carpet. You don't want to ruin any of the fibers if you dig in too hard, but I mean, this is automotive fiber, so it's supposed to be pretty durable. Since it's just like grease, it should come up pretty well. And you can already see that some of it is already lifting off as we're brushing over it. You can see that there's like a little circle here. This is from when I had some rotors back here. I like to move in both directions of the carpet. You can go diagonal too to hit some of the fibers that way. Some spots you might need to spray a little bit more.
Two hours later.
So now that we have it scrubbed down, oh, I missed a spot. We can go ahead and take our microfiber and then you can blot it if you want to, which is just like doing this, right? Or you can just go ahead and wipe it down. Like grab it and just wipe it down like that. On like more delicate carpets or in one spot, you're gonna like blot it like this. But what I found that works is just grabbing it, going over the carpet. And there we go. By the time you're done blotting it, you can be like, oh, hey, I missed a spot like I did right here. Soak that. I missed a spot there. Soak that. And I did miss a spot right here. So take the brush. And there we go. That actually looks pretty good. I'm just gonna hit this one more time. And that's it. That's all you need to do. You can also hit like the back of the seats, which I'm gonna hit in a little bit. You can do your seats like this. Now just keep in mind that this is going to be a little bit damp. So keep your doors open if you can. Let it air dry for like an hour or so, and then you can go ahead and sit down. The first thing, if you're going to do your whole car, I recommend doing your driver's seat first, especially if you need to drive later. You'll be able to sit down and not have it like too damp. Pretty clean. All right, and just like that, you know how to clean your interior pretty well. It doesn't take that long. If you only have like a couple stains, it can be like anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. But if you're doing a whole entire vehicle, prepare for about an hour, maybe more. Depends how dirty it is. I'll go ahead and link everything below. The type of gloves that I like. I will link the same carpet cleaner that I used, and if you want something that's cheaper, I'll also link a separate one that's a little more inexpensive. Anyways, if you guys found this video helpful and you liked it and it worked out for you, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. I'll catch you on the next ride.